I'm going to show you how to load shapefile or add shapefile into your projects in QGIS, and there are different ways to do that. One way is to directly go to your favorite folder that you have already added to your browser here on the left hand side of the window. Open up the folder, go to your data folder, and drag and drop the shapefile that you want to add to your projects. For example, here I'm going to go and add the easement layers. Just drag and drop. It just shows up like that. I'm going to add another layer like laneways. So you can use the mouse to zoom in or zoom out by scrolling up and down, or you can use the zoom in or zoom out tools up here from the toolbar to zoom into a layer to make sure that this is the right layer that you've loaded. Another way to load the shapefile into your project is to go layer menu up here, go to add layer, add vector layer, and from here you just pick the file and then open up the source file. Just browse to the folder that you have your shapefile on it. So in this case I'm just going to the exercise folder and the shapefile folder, and for example in this case I'm going to add buildings. Make sure the folder that the file that you pick has the extension of the SHP. Go here, add, done. So you can see that the buildings are added to the project as well. I can think of another way to do it, and in that way you can just have your folder loaded in a browser outside of the project. Just go to the folder and drag and drop the shapefile that you want to add to your projects. So again, in this case, make sure that the file that you're dragging and dropping has the extension of the SHP. So you can see that the routes or the bike routes that I just added has been added to your project. So yeah, these are the 3 different ways to add a vector layer to projects in QGIS. I hope you've enjoyed this little video.